Production systems. A production system is any of the methods used in the industry to create goods and services from various resources. When viewed as process, a production system may be further characterized by flows, channels of movement. Production systems can be classified into several types based upon a variety of schemes identified in the literature. Can be classified according to time function of manufacturing process output, type of transformation process, production volume, production planning and inventory policies, and workflow. Time function of manufacturing process output. This is divided into continuous system and discrete manufacturing system. Continuous systems. The continuous system is used to manufacture, produce, or process materials without interruption. This system operates 24 hours per day, 7 days per week, with infrequent maintenance shutdowns, such as semi-annual or annual. An example of this system is a Cambridge big nuclear power plant refueling outage. Discrete manufacturing system. Discrete manufacturing is an industry term for the manufacturing of finished products that are designated items capable of being easily counted, touched, or seen. Discrete product can be broken down at the end of its life cycle so its basic component can be recycled. An example of this system is the fabrication of Samsung Galaxy Note cell phone. Types of transformation process. This is divided into assembly system and non-assembly system. Assembly system. Assembly is the system in which parts are added as the semi-finished assembly move from workstation to workstation, where the parts are added in sequence until the final assembly is produced. An example is robotic tire and wheel assembly system. Non-assembly type. It's in which materials and process to produce individual parts or components. These types include machining, molding, fabrication, etc. An example of this type is the plastic fork process. Production volume. This is divided into mass production system, batch manufacturing system, and jobbik manufacturing system. Mass production system. Mass production is the manufacturing of large quantities of standardized products. It is strictly monitored and has typically result in high quality assembly. An example of this system is the Coca-Cola process. Batch manufacturing system. Batch production is a method of manufacturing where the products are made at a specified growth or amount. It's used for many types of manufacturing that may need smaller amounts of production. An example is the production of bread.
Jobbing process. Jobbing process involves producing custom work, such as a one-off product for a specific customer or a small batch of work in quantities, usually less than those of mass market. In this process, products are produced in a high variety, but at a lower volume. An example is the making process of cake. Production planning and inventory policies. This is divided into made to stock, made to order, assembly to order, and engineer to order. Made to stock. Products are manufactured based on demand forecast. An example of made to stock is night shoes production. Made to order. Process in which manufacturing starts only after a customer order is received. An example is Rolls-Royce manufacturing. Assembling to order. In these systems, once an order is received, the parts are assembled quickly and sent to the customer. An example is the guacamole. Engineered to order. It's a manufacturing process in which the component is designed, engineered, and built to specifications only after the order has been received. An example is the construction of a luxurious house. Workflow. This is divided into job shop, project shop, cellular manufacturing system, and flow line. Job shop are typically small manufacturing systems that handle job production. An example is carpentry workshop. Project shop, a product must remain in a fixed position or location because of its size and weight. The materials, machines, and people in fabrications are brought to site. An example is make a street or road. Cellular manufacturing system is a hybrid system for linking the advantages of both job shops, flexibility in production, a wide variety of products, and flow lines, efficient flow and high production rare. A cellular manufacturing system is composed of linked cells. Flow line that is used in such industry where raw materials are fed at one end and finished products are produced continuously at the other end. An example is the fish streaming flow line.